Finding the courage to change, brimming with creativity. Human beings have something called negativity bias. Negativity bias is like the security guard at the entrance to a building. Our inner security guard has the job of keeping us safe. He keeps danger away and plans ahead to prevent bad events. However, does this security guard manage and control what happens inside of the building? No, but for many years, my inner security guard was in charge of me. My security guard looked for all the reasons that I would not or could not succeed. Every potential action was criticized. The constant whisper of negativity kept me from taking positive actions. Finally, I discovered journaling. Through my daily journal, I realized that I'm brimming with creativity. If I'm made in the image of the great Creator, then being creative is a core part of who I am. When I try to suppress my creativity, I only make myself miserable. I also discovered that I didn't have to run away from where I am to exercise my creative power. I don't have to throw my family over the cliff and run away to be a starving artist. I can find ways to be creative right where I am. Any action I take can be enhanced when I apply my imagination and creativity. I can allow myself to be creative in every moment, from chores to work to play. I can remember to find a creative approach. I start with the question, how can I have more fun with this? Then my playful and imaginative inner creator jumps into action. I am free at last to be brimming with creativity.